Hi everyone, I am new to the YouTube world. My name is Iris Toro. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy what you see here. This morning I woke up and my skin was feeling dry, so I decided to film a mask tutorial. I hope you enjoy. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, I'm looking pretty crusty, which is why I decided to film this video. To make this mask, you're going to need 1 banana, any brand of your choice oats. Here I have Quaker Oats. And you're going to need some kind of tea. I really like using black tea, but green tea is great for this mask as well. So you're just going to brew your tea for a few minutes, let it steep and cool. I just wanted to let you know that if you have sensitive skin, just take out the banana. Do not make this mask with banana because it does irritate your skin. Okay, so if you do choose to make this mask with banana, you're going to need just a small piece of the banana and put it in a bowl, and then you're going to mash it up with a fork. Next, add a spoonful of oats to the mix. Then mix those two ingredients until you see them kind of gel together. To make the consistency of this mask smoother, add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of your warm tea. Then just mix your mask together. Apply your mask using smooth, luxurious motions. Concentrate on parts of your face that are especially dry. I even use this mask as an under eye mask. Allow the mask to rest for no more than 5 minutes because the banana can be a little irritating. Rinse with warm water. As you can see, I rub the mask into my skin with gentle circular motions. Here you can see that the banana does cause a little redness, but this goes down within a few minutes. I find that the redness has significantly gone down the more times I use this mask. So the banana helps fight against acne as well as moisturize the skin, and the oats help soothe the skin. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you'd like to see next down below in the comments.